In this video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome on Roku TV. Since there is no official Google Chrome app on Roku, you cannot install the app directly into your Roku TV. But don't worry, there is a workaround into this. Since the Google Chrome app is not available on Roku TV, what you can opt to is to use the screen mirroring feature of Roku. To do this, the first thing that you'll need to do is to press the home button on your Roku remote to make sure you're on the home page. Go to settings, select settings in the menu and click OK on the remote. Select system and click OK. Go to screen mirroring and press OK. Go to screen mirroring mode and choose your preferred mode. Select screen mirroring mode and press OK. Now select either always allow or prompt and press OK. If you choose prompt, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the connection whenever you try to mirror your screen. Always allow will let any device connect automatically. A check mark will appear next to your section. Now, to be able to mirror Google Chrome on your PC, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and head over into the Windows Action Center. By clicking on the icon or pressing the Windows key 8, you should see some icons, but if you don't, click Expand. Click on the Connect icon to open the side menu. Click on the Roku player from the list and select Allow on your Roku. Use your Roku remote to choose either Allow or Always Allow and press OK. You'll see your Windows screen on your TV and you'll now be able to use Google Chrome on Roku. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.